Testing one, two, three. Hello, everyone. This is Will Duckworth, lead strategist at Narrowgate Trading. It's Saturday, March 8th, 2025, and I'm recording this short live stream to discuss the changes I've made to my day trading protocol. Let me see if I can find the image I want to be showing here. Okay, let me try again. Here it is. Okay. I'm going to check now to make sure that you can see what I am looking at. Okay, yes, there it is. So let me continue. I've made modifications in the past that I believed had optimized the power of my trading system on numerous occasions, only to conclude that no, there were still improvements I could make on my approach. So hopefully this time, the adjustments I've made truly have taken the system to a level where it is the best it can be. In any event, what I did was change the measures. I changed the measures that I'm regarding as my quote unquote serious trending baselines, especially the one represented by the greenish turquoise histogram on the lower panel, which is my primary concern and displays the most important threshold level. When both the green and the red lower panel histograms are on one side or one half of the lower panel price anomaly channel, the upper half or the lower half. I'm not, what is the word? Displaying a lot of control right now with my mouse. But anyway, when they're on one half, especially when the green histogram has surpassed its threshold level and the black oscillator is positioned or located on the opposite half of the price anomaly channel, it alerts me to begin watching for the initiation of a pullback and to consider entering a position subsequent to the oscillator forming a peak or forming a trough. As price begins to exit the maneuver is when I would enter a position. So as you can see, I've coded an indicator to signal me when this might be happening. And I've also drawn circles on this chart to highlight the corresponding crests and valleys. So when I get a signal, what would be a good example? This is one. When I get a signal, I look for the candlesticks to form a crest, a top, a peak, or a bottom, a valley, a nadir. And when it exits the maneuver, that's when I need to enter a position. You can see that the baselines do a pretty decent job of telling me when the intraday sentiment is, or bias, is bearish, when it's bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. And this tactic is based on the protocol in use on Thursday and Friday of this week, which yielded results about which I have absolutely no complaints. So my plan is to continue testing this methodology going into next week, and I hope to verify that indeed this represents the culmination or optimal use of the information my numerical price prediction forecast models offers me. Time will tell, but in the meantime, let me wish everyone the best of luck. And until next time, if indeed there actually is a next time, hasta luego, mis amigos.